Hey guys, welcome back to another Hawaii prep video. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I am planning to bring to Hawaii for a month in regards to planning, supplies, and memory keeping. It's a lot less than I originally planned. I had a suitcase set out in my closet and I was putting stuff in there, and I looked at it all and I was like, that's just too much. I don't think I'm going to be doing that much memory planning or memory keeping while there. Our plans are to do some hiking, go to some beaches, and really just stay at the house we're staying at. It has a pool, so what else do you really need? So I'm not sure what kinds of memory keeping I'll be doing. So I wanted to keep it simple, easy to carry. In my carry-on, I am planning to carry just a carry-on with me of 7 days worth of clothes that I'm gonna wash while I'm there. So I wanted to keep it minimal, easy to travel with, and stuff that I'm actually going to be using. So without further ado, let me show you the stuff. I wish I could pack that guy and that guy, but alas, they will be staying with my mom at her house for the month. But back to the task at hand. This is everything I am bringing with me in regards to planning. We will be working there remotely, so I still need things for like my job and everything, but a lot of that is already on my computer. We are going to be traveling with our desktop computers and larger suitcases. That's why I wanted to keep my actual personal stuff down to a carry-on just to keep things simple. So up first is this Kodak little camera. It connects to your phone, so you can use Bluetooth to print off photos. I thought this would be a really easy way to print photos while I'm there to put in my planner. I'm going to be memory keeping in my planner itself rather than a separate notebook. If I find that I've collected a lot of brochures or something, then I will just take those home and do it afterwards. But I think based on what I predict the trip will be like, most of it will just end up inside my planner. So I'll go through this little pouch in a second, but then I have my to-do list notebook. This is like my lifeblood. I would forget everything if I didn't have this with me, so definitely have to bring that. And then this is my daily A5 Erin Condren for the rest of the year, so I can plan out my days when I have meetings and everything while we are on the island. And then I'm also going to, like I said, keep photos and things in here. So this pouch has all of the goodies. In the back are all of the stickers I've set aside that I want to bring with me. Mostly all of them are just Hawaii related stickers, so I'll flip through those so you can see them, and then we'll go inside and show you what is in the pouch. So it's a bit all over the place because I cut some random like Papershire freebie stickers. So here are some tiny little Hawaii ones. She came out with this like Facebook freebie set that was all like tropical themed, and it was like the perfect timing. I use these little gold circles for habit tracking. I have a bunch of Wonton in a Million stickers. I thought these little mermaid ones would be cute. Some Oh Hello travel cats because I know I'm gonna be missing my boys while we're there. These are the books I'm bringing with me so I can track my reading. More of those cute little die cuts. These are some like Oh Hello graphics, Papershire. It's just a bunch of them. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use them. This is a Rifle Paper Co. image I found on Google. I just thought it'd be really pretty. Some random Oh Hello stickers. These were actually a freebie in our Facebook group like a year or two ago. It's probably not that long. Then I have my September like functional stickers that I will use in my monthly view. I've already started obviously planning in that, so a few are missing, but I have those. Another sheet of those Oh Hello freebies. One of the Wonton in a Million stickers from their packs with Michaels, and then I have a sheet of my October colors just in case I need to pre-plan a little bit into the month of October. I feel like there should be more stickers I'm bringing, but I'm not sure what. So this video is going up a few days before we leave, so if you have any suggestions, let me know so I can quickly panic pack them. These are all of the items that were inside the pouch. A set of sticky notes. This is a refill for that Kodak camera. I have all of my color-coded, like these are like off-brand mild liners. I love them. I got them off Amazon. They come in a huge range of colors and they're way cheaper. So I'm bringing all of the colors I use for my color coding in my planner. This is one of those Tombow adhesive strippy things, so I can put the pictures in my notebook. 2 of my favorite pens. These are the Paper Mate Inkjoy gels in the 0.5. I love them, super thin. I don't know who I am anymore. I feel like the pen kind of represents my evolution. And then a pair of scissors. I'm trying to find the cover. I had a little cover for them. No idea where that went. But this is everything that goes in the pouch. So those are all of the items I plan to bring with me. I think the majority of them will end up in my backpack that's going under the seat in front of me, just in case I want to. I probably won't plan though when I'm on the plane. So maybe I'll just put my to-do list book in my backpack and the rest will go into my carry-on for when we get to the island. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more Hawaii videos. I'm going to be doing a ton of vlogs while we're there, and the next one coming up is the whole like prep video where I talk about my neurotic ways of packing weeks and weeks in advance of a trip and how we are bringing our desktop computers over with us. Not sure how that's gonna pan out yet. Hopefully future Kayla has it figured out because current Kayla is freaking out a little bit. But thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.